Hi students, I'm Sonia from Vidya Guru, starting a new session on current affairs. This is going to be the second part for the month of November. So this is basically the second part for November 2024. Let's see what all questions we are going to cover up today without wasting a moment more. This session will remain in English medium. If you are not comfortable with the language, you can switch to the Hindi session that is also there in the playlist. You can go and check that session out. Let's start. The first question on your screen, which is about India in focus. Let's read the question. The first question is about India and France. What have they become? Now, India in focus, something internationally is taking place where India is becoming something. That is what we have written here. Now, if you're aware that Solar Alliance, International Solar Alliance, just to put this into practice, India worked hard, India played part, and India wanted things to go solar. That is why International Solar Alliance in which India played a vital role. Apart from that, France also joined India. Now, you can see India and France got the presidentship once again for 2026. They have got re-elected, not presidentship, I should speak like that, host and co-host. That is what happening here. Let me reread it for you. India and France re-elected president and co-president. So it was right earlier. Now what I'm saying is India has been elected as president and France as co-president once again for the year 2026 for their role, for their credible, for their exemplary role. Now India and France re-elected. Please pay attention to the words. When somebody writes ISA, that means they are saying International Solar Alliance. So this is International Solar Alliance, this is year 2026, this is India and France. What have they become? They have become president and co-president. The next question, respectively. Cyclone Dana. See, in Hindi, the word Dan means generosity. Dan, when you donate something to someone, you are showing generosity. That is how we try to deduce the meaning. So, Dan is generosity, but they have written it as Dana. So, Dana, we have to, read it like that only. Cyclone Dana in Bay of Bengal. Cyclone Dana in Bay of Bengal, which was supposed to hit West Bengal and Odisha coast, and Dana is like the name given by Qatar. Now, I hope you've read the point. Now you can understand that one point can give you multiple questions. What is Dana? It's the name of a cyclone. Who gave this name? Qatar gave this name. What does Dana means? It means generosity. What all coasts had to be affected by this cyclone? It was Odisha and West Bengal. So out of 1 point, I've made several questions to show you that such kind of questions are going to be there in your exam. Now, the next question is largest rice producing countries. So the population is such, we have to feed all of them. So China and India are doing their best. So India and China remained on second and first. That means India on the second and China on the first number in terms of producing rice. Our population is such that we have to feed many people. So such grains. Largest rice producing countries in the world for the year 2024. First is China and the other one is India. Learn it like that. Now this is something important. Saturn sized. That means that huge. Exoplanet. External. X means external. So Saturn sized exoplanet discovered by India. Isn't it exemplary? Isn't it remarkable? Isn't it something which is going to be there in your exam? It will be for sure in some or the other exam. So please learn this question carefully. It is TOI 6651b. I'm not dialing any number. It is the name of the planet. That exoplanet discovered by our country, its name is TOI, and please, for God's sake, it is not Times of India. It is not. TOI 6651b. They'll probably change these numbers in the options when they ask you such a question. You have to be observant, careful, vigilant when you answer such a question. Again, Saturn-sized exoplanet discovered by our country, TOI 6651b. The next question. Now, electoral cooperation. See, nobody should laugh at it. Don't do that. Electoral cooperation part. Between India and Uzbekistan, that is what I meant. People from India, our like chief, like election commissioner or somebody like him, they go to Uzbek to monitor their elections. Anyway, so such sort of pact, that is what I wanted to say. Anyway, the first question, let's start the revision. India and France re-elected president and co-president for 2026, and for which organization? International Solar Alliance, that is what I meant. Cyclone Dana, BOB, that means it is not Bank of Baroda, it is Bay of Bengal, because cyclone has to be there in some watery place, and that is Bay of Bengal. So basically, Cyclone Dana in Bay of Bengal, supposed to hit Odisha, supposed to hit West Bengal. Apart from that, meaning is generosity, the name given by Qatar, all these things matter, and you have to learn all of them. The next question. Largest rice producing country? China and India for 24 respectively. First China, second is India. Next one is Saturn-sized exoplanet discovered by India, TOI 6651b. The next question. Electoral cooperation pact signed between India and Uzbekistan. The next question on your screen, guys. Okay, this is the next set of questions that we are studying. So till now you've realized I am not going to waste your time at all. I'll try my level best to give you all important questions for your exams. But please press the like button at least, and share it with your friends, those who are actually preparing for SEM exam, and try to subscribe to our channel. If you do that, I'll be happy, because that's how we'll be able to, you will be able to receive notifications of all the exam relevant videos which we upload. If you wish to join us, the numbers are given below. You can dial these numbers, speak with our executive, they'll help you choose the right course. The next question, latest appointments. Latest appointments, first question. Second question, do they seem related? Yes, they do. Why? Because SL is Sri Lanka. The kind of turmoil that you saw there in Sri Lanka, whosoever is taking the responsibility of Sri Lanka now should be called a brave man. Anyway, Sri Lanka's president Anura Kumar Dissanayake. Anura Kumar Dissanayake is from National People's Power. Rest I cannot name that because it is not allowed on YouTube, and we have faced the consequences. Please, Sri Lanka's president Anura Kumar Dissanayake, and he is from National People's Power. The next one is Sri Lanka's Prime Minister Harini Amara Surya. Harini Amara Surya, that's the name of the Prime Minister of Sri Lanka. The next question is CM of JNK Umar Abdullah, Deputy CM of JNK Surinder Chaudhary. Both are from JNK National Congress. Told you I cannot name that. YouTube does not permit that. I'm so sorry for it. You can find it out on your own, and probably you're familiar with what they are. Do they belong to something? Is it that? Is it the name? Do they belong to this? Yes, they do. They are from this. Now, USA's 47th president, Donald Trump. So they chose him, they elected him once again, Donald Trump. That's great. 47th number is president, USA is Donald Trump, and he is from Republican, and I cannot name that, Republican. That is what you can read, it is written here. Sri Lanka's president, Anura Kumar Dissanayake, and he is from National People's Power. Sri Lanka's Prime Minister, Harini Amara Surya, CM of JNK, Umar Abdullah, Deputy CM of JNK, Surinder Chaudhary, and 47 number is USA President Donald Trump. Let's go ahead. Okay, now you can see many questions are there. Are we not studying these many questions? Let's see. Astra Hind. Are we not going to study Wimbax, Garud Shakti? See, whatever is important, I'll be training you on. Believe me, C-295 military transport aircraft, I'll be talking about this also. Now, the next one is DRDO's first long-range testing of a missile that we'll study too. Let's start one by one. First question is Astra Hind. Has the name told you the name of the exercise? It is Australia and India. The third time this military drill took place in No, it was happening for the third time. The venue is different usually every time, and it is Pune and Maharashtra where it took place. I'll repeat. Austrahen was taking place for the third time. The venue for this time was Pune, Maharashtra. It is basically a military drill. If you skip such detail, this minute detail, or maybe third number, you'll be losing 1 mark. Let me tell you that clearly, because they ask even the numbers of the exercises. Yes, so be careful. Austrahen, the third time, was taking place. Now, India and Australia, and the venue was Pune and Maharashtra. WIMBAX is Vietnam and India. It is quite famous. You already know that. Vietnam and India. Let me, Vietnam and India. That is what you can see. This is WIMBAX happening for basically the 5th time. This was the 5th edition, which took place in Ambala, Haryana. I'll repeat. Vietnam, India, bilateral army exercise. Bilateral, bi means two-sided. That means 2 countries were involved. Vietnam and India, that is what I've told you. But what kind of exercise? See, people are not willing to believe that military exercise, maybe Coast Guard is involved, maybe Navy is involved. They ask such sort of questions every time. So be careful when I say that. It is an army exercise, bilateral army exercise. 5th edition took place in Ambala, Haryana. Garud Shakti is very famous. You know that already. So 9th number is Garud Shakti 2024 took place at Jakarta. Jakarta is in Indonesia, if you are aware. So if I have said Jakarta, you should have realized it already that Garud Shakti takes place between India and Indonesia. So India and Indonesia, Garud Shakti 24, and it was actually organized in Jakarta, Indonesia. Next question. India to make C-295 military transport aircraft. See, what happened was, a few days back, Spain's Prime Minister, Pedro Sanchez, he was on India visit. When he was on India visit, we took him to Vadodara, Gujarat to show him this facility where India was actually making its own aircrafts, such transport aircrafts, military transport aircraft, in which they are saying that will be completed by September 26. Who's making it? Tata and Airbus. All the things are important, although it is 1 point. But you know how many questions can be made out of it. Let me rephrase it for you. Military transport aircraft, which was actually shown, the facility was shown to Pedro Sanchez, the Prime Minister of Spain, and he visited that facility. Now I'm asking you, what's the name of that military transport aircraft? What are we referring to? Are we referring to C-295? Yes, we are. India is making it? Yes. By what time we are going to complete it? September 26. Which place are we referring to? Vadodara. Who visited the facility? Pedro Sanchez. And who's making it? Who's making this C-295? Tata and Airbus. They are also equally significant. This detail, this detail, this detail. The place where facility is there. DRDO, that defense organization, for the first time, they have tested a long-range hypersonic missile. First, hypersonic missile was tested in Kalam Island off Odisha coast. That's the place where they tested it, and I'm saying the range is 1500 kilometers. I'll make you repeat all that. Let's be attentive now, guys. Defense updates. Austrahen, Australia and India, third time taking place, and the venue this time was Pune, Maharashtra, right? It was a military drill. WIMBAX, where Vietnam and India, and it is a bilateral army exercise. That is how you can learn it easily. I believe you can do that now. And Ambala, Haryana is the venue, and it was taking place for the 5th time. Garud Shakti, the 9th time, between India and Indonesia. That is why the venue was Jakarta, Indonesia. Jakarta is in Indonesia only. It was a special forces exercise. I forgot to tell you that. Please highlight this also. India to make C-295 military transport aircrafts. C-295 military transport aircraft. And I'm saying in Vadodara, the facility is like shown to Pedro Sanchez, PM of Spain, Tata and Airbus are behind it, and by 26 September, like September 2026, we'll be completing it. That is what they are saying. DRDO tests first long-range hypersonic missile. DRDO first long-range hypersonic missile. 1500 kilometer is the range of it, and it was tested at Kalam Island off Odisha coast. Now, banking awareness. So, those students who are not preparing for banking exams, these questions are very, very important for all those students who are writing bank exams, who are writing any financial organizations exam. So, keep watching it, guys. So, other students can actually, skip this part, and let's start for the particular segment, that is banking awareness. The first question. The first question is NPCI, National Payments Corporation of India, is asked to develop UPI-like platform. UPI, you make the payment through UPI. N number of people in India do that, and billions of payments, do take place through UPI. Now you know that. It has become that popular. So now if it is that popular without getting crashed, so NPCI is asked to develop UPI-like payment gateway for Trinidad and Tobago, right? The next question. The country is important, please. India's best ranked bank. India's best bank is SBI. Not by me, not by you. Global Finance Magazine is saying that India's best bank is SBI. So that way you have to answer it. Slice got merged with, it's not that Slice that you drink. I'm not referring to Maaza and Slice. It is Slice, a fintech company. It is basically finance and technology, a fintech. So Slice got merged with Northeast Small Finance Bank. Please, such questions are asked these days. They don't get into history that much. They don't ask those many questions. Please, a request from you, for you guys, learn these questions, because the current events are there in banking sector. There's a section called general awareness. They ask questions on banking, what is happening in the banking industry, and for bank kids, those are whatever I've taught you. Throughout it is important. Like whatever I've taught you since the start. You have to learn it till here. So Northeast Small Finance Bank got merged with Slice Fintech, co-branded credit card launched by Mahindra Finance and RBL Bank. So learn the names. Here. Mahindra Finance and RBL Bank, co-branded credit card. Real-time international money tracking. Money tracking, what is it? It is money transfer tracking basically. See, I'll tell you what happens is if you send money internationally, you are not able to transfer it. Whether you are sending it, it has actually reached, it has actually got credited in the account of the other person or not. So real life transfer tracking, that to international, is it not something that is seriously, it is going to be there in your exam for sure. Let me tell you that clearly. You may consider this question unimportant sort of, but it is actually not. It is very, very important. IDFC Bank along with SWIFT, that messaging thing, you receive messages of credit, debit and all that. So that is SWIFT behind it. So SWIFT and IDFC First Bank, they together are doing this possible for their customers live, like real time international money transfer tracking is made available by them. So they are making technology available to everybody, and that too in a way where people are living internationally and they can easily do such a thing. Now SBI launches Innovation Hub in Singapore. That's the news. You have to understand that if something was done internationally, you have to learn it. Let's revise all that. NPCI, UPI-like platform for Trinidad and Tobago. Not tobacco, it's Tobago. India's best bank. Global Finance Magazine says it is SBI. Slice and Northeast Small Finance Bank's merger. Co-branded credit card for Mahindra Finance and by Mahindra Finance and RBL Bank. Real-time international money transfer tracking is made available by IDFC Bank and SWIFT. SBI launches its Innovation Hub in Singapore as well. If you require these questions, there's a possibility you may. And if you are not able to prepare notes like that, if you are able to write, that's great. If you are not, Although such a thing is available on our website as well at a very nominal charge, but if you're not willing to do that, if you're not willing to take that, you can do one thing. You can follow me on Insta. As soon as my ID grows, as soon as my followers increase, I'll actually be, uploading these questions. I'll be publishing these questions on the ID only. Thank you so much for watching, guys.